Understanding bare bones, a guide to the phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make learning English easy and fun. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, bare bones. This expression is quite popular and useful to know, whether you're reading English novels, watching movies, or having conversations with native speakers. So let's get to the core of what bare bones really means and how you can use it in your daily English. The phrase, bare bones, is an adjective that describes something in its most basic or simple form. Imagine a skeleton without any flesh, just the essential frame. That's exactly what bare bones refers to, the most essential elements without any additions or unnecessary details. It's commonly used to talk about products, plans, presentations, and even stories. Have you ever wondered where this phrase comes from? Bare bones might conjure up a skeletal image, and rightly so. It's believed that this phrase originated from the literal idea of an animal carcass after all the flesh has been removed, leaving only the skeleton. Over time, it has evolved to mean the stripped-down essence of anything. Let's look at some examples of how to use bare bones in a sentence. The company released a bare bones version of the app for users to try out. Here, bare bones means the app has only the essential features. Our teacher gave us a bare bones outline of the course to follow. This means the outline contains only the main points, without detailed explanations. The budget was cut to the bare bones. In this case, it means the budget was reduced to only the most necessary expenses. By understanding and using the phrase in different contexts, you can enhance your English vocabulary significantly. When you're learning to use bare bones in conversation, remember that it's typically used to emphasize simplicity or minimalism. It's not necessarily negative. Sometimes, a bare bones approach is exactly what's needed. However, it can be used to suggest that something is lacking features or aspects that could make it better. I hope this video helps clarify the meaning and use of bare bones for you all. Remember, learning English phrases is about understanding the context they are used in and practicing them in your speech or writing. Keep practicing, and don't be afraid to try using bare bones to describe something simple or fundamental. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in our next video.